Okay, so Krylon Aqua White. Lots of spit going down with the makeup just to get a little bit of a paste going. This stuff does set quite quickly. So grab your sponge and blend in on the edges. I want a harsh line. Even though I've got plenty of experience doing my makeup over the years, there's still times where I've absolutely gone wrong. Swore many, let loose a ton of expletives, and walked into the bathroom, get a face wipe, wiped it off, start again. It happens to all of us. It's not looking too bad. Right, so just drying off my brush a little bit, and then I can blend out the edges. Please no, stop running. Okay, as you can see, I've now created the base of highlighting the eye. Now, because it's aqua white, you'll find it's just very, very matte. And I'm just applying now some iridescent white. Acts a bit like a setting powder. If you get it just right and get the iridescent white on not long after you've applied the aqua white, rather like the foundation, it will stick quite nicely to it. Okay, so for the sake of brevity, I've completed my right eye. Adding that iridescent white now. Don't have to be too accurate. I'm just chucking it on. Okay, that was a small brush. So now with a larger brush, you're going right under the eye, sweeping around and highlighting what normally would be a dark area on your face, your eye bags. Really highlighting it upper eye, and then along the bridge of your nose. Then a flat brush, and just under your blusher, again to create an illusion of contrast between the colour ranges. Right, and then just what is on your blusher brush even. Put my false teeth back in. Just reblend, because you would have just lost some definition. have it.